Anish Colini, tá casa beag sa scéal anish, agus tá surprise beag agin Gíomh. I don't know if anyone here has any idea who we might be playing this Sunday. Barbara, maybe you might have an idea.
Nílas a géine an na Underdogs seachas Barbara. Cé a bheith á imirteacha a gluthe dúchláin na deire seachtainna seo?
I left no food in the fridge at home this weekend for my kids. Because I'm going to be playing against them Sunday. We're playing Cork City women.
No.
So I hope they'll be weak as water. It's something I probably dreamed of for years, playing on a pitch with my daughters. Probably dreamt of playing with them, not against them, but yeah, so I'm really looking forward to it anyway. It's a huge occasion for the family, and you know, obviously my dad is not here at the moment, but I know he'd be very proud to know that we're playing at this level and to play against the kids. So yeah, we'd like to think that he'd be looking down watching it.
Underdogs, a go forward le Airgrid.